This is the Bay of Bengal actually. Do I look like Goku? Because in the dream I woke up with a dream that I was having so much of power and the strength to do something for the world. And Goku is a character of anime who has the ability to do like lot of kind of stuff. So if you don't know Goku is, just Google it and see who the Goku is. You will come to know who it is. And after that dream, actually, I suddenly woke up because my dad called and said, "कितना सोएगा?" करके. That means that how much will you sleep? So you have some work and you have to get up. So I woke up and bro, and the dream is over. So guys, actually I didn't get any time to record myself over the week, so I was busy with my office works and there was a lot of stuff to do other. So today's a weekend, let's utilize this day, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, the plan is actually nothing much. I am thinking of doing something go for a small shopping and look around. Because from Monday to Friday I was sitting in the home and doing nothing. Like I didn't go outside yet. I like my new look of my car and it's so good and it's so soothing to your eyes. See guys how it looks. If you haven't watched my previous video, so guys, if you haven't checked out my previous video, please do check out, and it's good. It's like it talk about the modification that I have done. Good morning guys, this is actually next day and today is Sunday. So yesterday I had some important work, so I couldn't shoot much. So today we have lots of stuff to do, and first of all we have to go to church, and every Sunday I'm going to church. So time is right now 6:45, so I need to get ready fast.
Lord, they are standing in front of you and praying before you with thanksgiving. Accept their thanks.
Guys, the worship is over and the worship was very good, and even the day started with a blessing. So I hope it goes good, and excited for the day. So guys, going out for a small shopping. It's not actually for myself, it's actually for the car, because as I told in the previous vlogs that we are planning for a small for a road trip. So everything is getting like I'm making myself ready and the car ready for it. So guys, right now I'm at a shop and I checked out all the prices and everything, and just going to bring my car to that shop. All the fitting and everything will be in the next vlog. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can stay tuned with me. So right now I'm going to bring my car, and guys, I have changed a lot of things in my car, and it took around 6 hours. Not 6 hours actually. It took me around 2 to 3 hours of time for all the things to be set it up, and everything is set, and you will be seeing what are those things in the next vlog. So stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Hit that red color button as soon as you can, and smash the like button. And of course, I didn't go somewhere because right now I'm doing a lot of stuff for the ride that I'm preparing for, and I have reached home, but I'm still in the car. I have to set up small things. Guys, the climate is right now very good. It was raining a little bit. It rained only for 10 minutes, but now weather is very good. So right now I plan for going somewhere. I will tell you where I'm going in the car, and it's going to be a family trip because everybody is coming out, and even my grandma is coming. She's also told that I'm sitting here since the day I come because it was COVID. So so everybody is going to enjoy this ride. Right now everybody is excited for the trip, and they are enjoying they all set ready and they're coming down. So guys, we are going to Shanmoga Pongal. I don't know how to spell it, but we are going there. So it's a garden, by the way. It's like so many flowers and everything is there. It's good to go with the family there in a garden like that. So we'll go there. And my hair looks messy. I don't know why it sometimes doesn't listen to me. So guys, right now I'm at Shanmozi Ponga. It's a garden, botanical garden, and it's so beautiful. See, you can look around how it is, and so many kids are playing and everywhere. It's a family garden type of thing, so it's a good place to move around. It's good. See how beautiful the garden looks. And there, right now, actually it was raining before I came here, but now it stopped. So everything is looking good. You can see like how much excited I am. So the garden is good, and if you want to spend time with your family here, you can like come with your family, have a talk, sit here, and lot of like garden and scenery. So let me enjoy a little bit and I'll come back. Entry gate of Shanmozi Ponga, and we are returning back because grandma is sitting alone. She is not able to walk, so we are only came inside. So it's a beautiful garden. So next time we'll go inside more because we just came for a short trip only because grandma is sitting alone, so we have to go back fast. Guys, done with the Shanmozi Ponga, and we are heading to some other place, and it's called Netu Pukam Payar, and I don't know how to pronounce it. It's very difficult words here. So I'm going there. It's somewhat of like a broken bridge or bridge type area. So let me see what is there, and before going I'll give you a sneak peek what I have done to my car. Just check what I've done and let me know if you guys can see any difference or something. So let me know in the comment section. The sky is looking beautiful, and there is a lot of traffic today. Everybody has came out, I think so, but as you can see ahead, the clouds are very dark. I think it's going to rain, but I don't want the rain to happen and spoil my plan. So let's see what happens. And seriously, the cloud is looking dangerous. It started raining a little bit. It's okay, but the roads are very bad. Yeah, so we have finally coming closer to the destination. So look at the sky, how dangerous it looks, but this same time it's looking beautiful also. Right side is the sea. So I came to know that actually it is a Bay of Bengal Sea, and the area we are going is the Bay of Bengal only, and it's called, I think so, it's called Nedupokam, and right side you can see it's full Bay of Bengal Sea. So plan was to come and see the sunset from this location, but due to the climate, I think the sun has gone. It's behind the clouds, and I have finally reached my destination. So guys, right now at Netto Kuppam Fire, and this is the Bay of Bengal actually, and we are a bit late. Actually, I came to see a sunset, but we are a bit late. It's too far from our place, and there's a lot of air, and it's outskirts, totally outskirts. It's there is no parking and everything. Yeah, it's all your responsibility. If you want to put your car here, you can park. Otherwise, if you have to stay, actually I'm staying here. Mom and dad has gone to see the Bay of Bengal, and I'm enjoying from here. So I'll stop in by between the road so that I can also see the Bay of Bengal, and I'm happy that I came. It's a good place. Stopped in some between to have coffee from Heaven's Bakery. So having coffee right now, and after going to that beach, and it's not actually beach, it's sea. So Bay of Bengal sea, and we are having coffee. Right now, having it's beside a Bay of Bengal only, so the coffee is good. And during this climate, the wind blast is so much that you will need a coffee, and I have to drive a lot of far. So beware of this style, because mask is important, so we have to keep it in. So guys, I'll see you after reaching home. Guys, I'm back home, and for today this much only. You will see everything in the next vlog that is coming up. And if you like this short and simple vlog, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Adios amigos.